everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So first of all, I would like to thank you all for helping me reach 2,000 subscribers. I truly appreciate all the love and the support. Please subscribe to my channel if it's your first time here, and then don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video from me. So now back to today's video. Have you ever tried adding salted beef and then cured fish, also known as Koobi, to your angwamo? If you haven't, then this recipe is for you. Please try it and then thank me later. If you want to know more about this recipe, kindly stay tuned for more. Thank you.